Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to link your Ton wallet with other crypto platform. Find the wallet linking option in the crypto platform where you want to link your Ton wallet. Navigate to the wallet or account settings section of the platform. Now, look for an option to add or link a wallet. This is typically found under wallets, settings or payment methods. If the platform supports Ton wallet, select Ton wallet from the list of options. If not, you might need to use the wallet address manually. Open the TonKeeper application. Go to your wallet and tap on the wallet address. This is the address you will use to link to the other platform. Now, return to the crypto platform and paste your copied Ton wallet address on the designated field. Some platforms may require you to verify the wallet by sending small amount or confirming through emails. Once confirmed, your Ton wallets will be linked to the other crypto platform. Ensure that the platform supports transactions with Ton coins. By following these steps, you can easily link your Ton wallet with other crypto platforms for seamless transaction. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.